Gabby, chill. Hi. Well, I started up a YouTube channel, so make sure to go subscribe to me. And for the first video that I'm making, I'm basically gonna have a vlogging channel, but it's thundering. It is raining so hard. It's crazy. Did you guys just hear that? Did you guys just hear that? That is how loud that is. It sounds like a rock band. So, yeah, this storm is pretty bad. It's already like a severe thunderstorm warning here. So, yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, so lately I haven't really been doing anything. So let me introduce myself before I really start the video, even though I kind of did. My name is Patrick, and I like sports. I like baseball and basketball and football. I play baseball and basketball, but not football. It's raining terribly, and my dream is to become a baseball player or becoming a meteorologist. Like now. There was like a lot of rotation outside. Like a lot. It was like spinning before this, and now it's raining. Which is absolute craziness. Jeez, well, guys, can you take that somewhere else? Can you take that to like Texas? Doesn't that curse you? Rain, rain, go away, come back, come again another day. Yeah, whenever I sing that song, it's raining so more hard. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. No, because I just feel like, I'm kidding. Look at all that rain. Look at all that rain. If you really listen long. Oh, you guys saw that. Hold up. I'm in this. I'd say like over that way, like over that area is where it's like thundering. There is some lightning up here, and then there's thunder out that way. I'm gonna grab that car and throw it out. Look at this. I'm just gonna claw that, like take it and throw it out of here, like this house. Like, see it? Bam! Like that tree over there. Yike! Like this right here. Yike! So honestly, look at that. It's like flooding. That lightning. Show me some lightning just for the vid. My dad texted me. I came to my friend's house because, I mean, I don't really like it when it thunders, but now it's nice. Just because when I just don't see any nice clouds, I go to my friend's, which is here. They're not here yet. Oh, this rain is like, oh, I'm about to get soaked, but I don't care. I'm doing this for the vid. So maybe I don't know what I'll be doing. I play a lot of 2K. But we're going to watch right up here to check about the thunder and lightning. Steady. 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 There, you guys saw it. Some like lightning up there. Honestly, this is insane. Look at this. My feet are gonna get soaked. Thanks, rain. Thanks for just being rain. Wait, so if I go up here, zoom out, like, to the, no, we're gonna zoom out to there. Pew, pew, pew. I'm kidding. Bam! It is raining, like, a lot harder. More lightning! Everyone, I think I might stay out here some more. Oh no, each video might be 8 to 10 minutes, or like, I might do like 8-minute videos and then 10-minute videos and Rain Man. If I see one more lightning strike, I'll end the video. Spawn in, you cowardly lightning! Rain, rain, go away! Come again another day, I might see lightning in a second! No. My house is like all the way over that way. But I'll probably do a house tour. And my next, no, if we reach 1,000 or 100 subscribers, I don't care. Well, it's raining like so hard. Down, 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 down. Lightning just spawned. I'll end my video. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it, God. Please, please, please. Trust me, I'll be the best boy I can. Even though I already am. Yep, that was it. Guys, thanks for watching the video for my first time. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below saying you subscribe. And I'll see you later. Peace.